How to change background color in Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change background color in Instagram story. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Then once you update it, open the app. Once you're here, I'll try to create a new story. Just for the demo, I'll select a random photo in my gallery. When you select a photo in order to upload to your story, by default, it is going to choose the background based on the color on this particular photo. As you can see, it is very similar. But if you want to change the color into a solid color, then all you have to do is to tap these three dots on the top right corner of the screen and select the draw tool. At the bottom, you can choose any color you like to use. For example, I'll choose this one. Then once you pick your color, all you have to do is hold the screen and long press on it. And you can see our color has been changed. Of course, you can use any color you like here. What we will do is to save the change. But our photo is disappeared. So we need to add the photo again. In order to add a photo, just click the sticker icon here. Then you want to look for the plus icon. This plus icon basically allows you to add photo. Then choose your photo again. Once it's added, you can tap on it to change the size or shape. I can also zoom in and out by pinching. And this is how simply change background color on Instagram stories. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this video. See you soon on the next video.